Namaste children. In the last video, I explained you about exercise 5.1 4 statement questions. And in the first video, we already learned second and third main of this exercise. In this session, let me move to the next main, that is fourth main. Which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference D and write in 3 more terms, that is next 3 more terms. In this main we have 15 questions. So I am not explaining all the 15 questions in this video. Let me explain the first 6 questions detailedly. The remaining questions you need to solve on your own. The first question. See, in this we have to check, these are all are not APs. We have to check whether it forms an AP or not. Now recall how to tell whether a series is an AP or not. Recall the definition of arithmetic progression. What it says, the common difference should be same, means it is a series of numbers obtained by adding a fixed number to the previous number. That is a definition of arithmetic progression. But how to check whether it is an AP? We can check by subtracting. Why we should subtract? To know the common difference. So second term minus first term, third term minus second term, fourth term minus third term, and so on. If we do this, we get the common difference. Now let me check whether the common difference is same or not. A2 minus A1, that is A2 is 4, 4 minus 2 is 2, and A3 minus A2, 8 minus 4 is 4. Here only I came to know that in these two common difference is different. Here it is 2, here it is 4, and because here itself we got the different common difference, no need of taking the fourth minus third number. So here we conclude, since the common difference is not same here, so this series or this list of numbers do not form an AP. So next question, question 2, that is 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2, and so on. So let me take A2 minus A1. A2 is 5 by 2 minus A1 is 2. That is, after taking LCM, I think all of you know how to start the LCM. So LCM of 2 and 1 is 2. So when you multiply here, 2 1s are 2 and here 1 2s are 2. So that is how you take LCM. So 5 1s are 5 minus 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4 is 1, that is 1 by 2. In the same way, third term minus second term, that is 3 minus 5 by 2. Again LCM is 2. So here you need to multiply by 2. 3 2s are 6 minus 5, that is 1 by 2. And the next fourth term minus third term, 7 by 2 minus 3. Again here LCM is 2. So here 2 1s are 2 and here 1 2s are 2. So 7 minus 3 2s are 6. 7 minus 6, that is 1 by 2. So here in this question you can observe clearly that in all this situation we got the common difference same, that is half. Therefore what you will conclude? Since the common difference is same everywhere, so the above list of numbers forms an AP. In the question he has given that if any series forms an AP, find the next 3 terms. Here already has given 4 terms, so you need to find next 3 terms. How will you find next 3 terms? Here fourth term is given. Now how to find fifth term? Fifth term is 4 I got. So how to find? 7 by 2 plus half. Half is what? Common difference. When you add common difference to the previous number, we get the next number. That is, for fourth term, if we add common difference, that is half, we get fifth term, that is 4. Again for the fifth term, add the common difference half, that is we get next term 9 by 2. Again for 9 by 2, add 5, we get the next number, that is 5. So why we have to add here? The arithmetic progression definition itself tells that we get an AP by adding a fixed number to the previous number. So to obtain the next numbers, we have to add the common difference. So in this way I got the next three numbers. They are 4, 9/2 and 5. And third question, minus 1.2, minus 3.2, minus 5.2, minus 7.2 and so on. Here also in the same way, second term minus first term. Minus 3.2 minus of minus. Why I am doing here double minus? According to this I have to subtract. Second term minus first term. In the first term already the sign is minus sign. So you get here double minus. Minus into minus plus. So one is minus and one is plus. So I need to subtract. After subtract we get 2 and we get minus sign because for the bigger number you have minus sign. In the same way you subtract third term minus second term, that is you get minus 5.2 plus 3.2, that is minus 2. Fourth term minus third term, again we are getting minus 2. So you can observe clearly that here also the common difference is minus 2, same everywhere. So the above list of numbers forms an AP. Again I need to find next three terms. How to find next three terms? Here he has given fourth term. Now I need to find fifth term. To find fifth term you have to add minus 2. Minus 7.2 plus minus 2 becomes minus 9.2. Next number, minus 9.2 plus minus 2 becomes minus 11.2. Minus 11.2 plus minus 2 becomes minus 13.2. So these are the three next terms for this series. The next question is question number 4. That is minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, 2 and so on. Here you can observe second term minus first term, that is minus 6 minus of minus, that is plus. Minus 6 plus 10 is 4, plus 4. Why plus 4? Because for bigger number you have here minus into minus plus, that's why it is plus 4. Now third term minus second term, minus 2 minus of minus, that is plus. Plus 6 minus 2 is plus 4. Similarly, fourth term minus third term, again we are getting 4. Here you can observe clearly that all the common difference are same. So, it forms an AP? Yes, it forms an AP. So, after it forms an AP, he asked to find next three numbers. The fourth number is what? 2. So, to get fifth number, we need to add common difference, that is 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. And the next number, 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 4 is 14. So 6, 10 and 14 are the next three terms of this AP. Next question number 5. 3, 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2 and 3 plus 3 root 2. Next, second term minus first term. 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3. 3 and 3 gets cancelled, that is root 2. Third term minus second term, 3 plus 2 root 2 minus, it is binomial, so open the bracket, close the bracket with minus sign, 3 plus root 2. In the next step, open this binomial bracket with minus, minus into plus minus, minus into plus minus. So plus 3 and minus 3 gets cancelled, 2 root 2 minus root 2 is 1 root 2. So you no need of writing 1 here. Root 2. Next, fourth term minus third term. 3 plus 3 root 2 minus of, bracket close, 3 plus 2 root 2. In the next step, open the bracket with two terms, multiply the minus sign, you will get minus 3 minus into plus. Why this into bracket tells you is into. Minus into plus is minus. Here also 3 minus 3 gets cancelled. 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 is root 2. Here also you can observe I got common difference root 2 and root 2 everywhere. So this list of series forms an AP. And I need to find next 3 terms. What is the fourth term? Here you have 3 plus 3 root 2. Now what I have to add? Root 2. 3 plus 3 root 2 plus root 2 is 3 plus 4 root 2. Next term, 3 plus 4 root 2 plus root 2 is 3 plus 5 root 2. 3 plus 5 root 2 plus root 2 is 3 plus 6 root 2. So these are the 3 terms, next 3 terms for this AP. Next, 6th question, 0.2, 0.22, 0.222 and so on. Take second term minus first term. 0.22 minus 0.2. So we get 0.02. Third term minus second term, subtract, we get 0.002. So with this only I can tell that the common difference is not same. So no need of doing fourth minus third. Because the common difference is not same, CD means common difference, is not same. So the above list of numbers does not form an AP. So I solved 6 questions, children, and the next remaining questions, these are the next remaining questions, that is 7 to 15 questions are there. I have written in the bracket whether it forms an AP or not, that is yes or no. But you have to, if it is yes, you find the next 3 terms. I'll send a photocopy of these questions along with the video. Try to solve, children. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you.